Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Betwinner Bonus. This is very easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Betwinner account. To do this, you click on register. Next, you're going to click on full. Then you're going to enter all the required information. Then at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. Now, once you have top up your account and that you have received your bonus money from the promo code mentioned earlier, you are simply going to head on and create an accumulator on it. So you are going to add this to bet slip to select more and more matches, and here you are going to select and continue selecting once more. So once you have a bet slip, you are simply going to click on the bet slip icon at the bottom, and here you're going to find out your accumulator. So as you can see, I have 3 matches, but in order to use the bonus money that you have gained, we are supposed to create an accumulator with at least 5 outcomes and each having an odd of 1.4 or greater than it at least. So once you have the 4 outcome in your bet slip, you are simply going to click on bet, and now you are simply going to enter the amount of money you wish to bet on it, and this money will include our bonus money that you have just earned, and thus you are going to end by winning on this accumulator, and it's as simple as that.